In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find old messages in Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's get started. Slack is a fantastic tool for communication, but sometimes those old messages can feel like they are buried under a mountain of new conversations. Luckily, with a few simple steps, you can easily locate those elusive messages. First, let's start by using the global search bar. At the very top of your Slack window, you'll see a search bar. This is your gateway to finding those older conversations. Go ahead and click on that search bar. Now you can type in any keyword, phrase, name, or even a project nickname that you remember from that conversation. Remember, the more specific you can be, the better your chances of finding exactly what you're looking for. Once you've entered your search term and pressed enter, you'll notice that a list of search results will pop up. This is where we can fine-tune our search to make it more effective. To do this, look for the Filters option located near the results. Clicking on this will give you more control over your search criteria. Think of this as a way to narrow down your results so you can find exactly what you need without sifting through every single message. The next step is to apply a date filter. This is crucial because it helps to zero in on the time frame when you think the conversation occurred. You'll see a date filter control. You can set a specific start and an end date based on when you believe that chat happened. For example, if you remember that you discussed that particular project during the week it kicked off, then set those dates. This will help filter out any irrelevant conversations, making your search much more efficient. Now, it's time to execute your search. After applying the filters, go ahead and click on the search option again to refresh your results. At this point, Slack will churn through the data and present you with the most relevant messages. You'll notice that the results are organized in a way that prioritizes messages matching both your keywords and the specified time frame. This is where you'll begin to see timestamps and context that can help jog your memory. As you scroll through the filtered results, take your time to look for those important conversations or messages that you need. If you don't see exactly what you're looking for right away, consider adjusting your search terms or date range. Don't hesitate to play around with different keywords or phrases. Sometimes a slight variation can yield significantly different results. And there you have it. You've successfully utilized Slack's search functionality to find those old messages. Whether it's a crucial piece of feedback or an important project update, with these methods, you can quickly navigate through your Slack history. If you found this guide helpful, please consider clicking that like button and subscribing for more tips and tricks.